Hello everybody, yes, it's going to the nature agree. Taking a stroll in the day. So yeah, we're going to Thames Pool and this nice little bridge here. Yeah, bruh, it's gonna be lit, fam. Sharp turn. Again. Shade. Isn't this just beautiful, people? I know it is. I like it. I love nature. Nature is the best part of everything. So, I don't know if I've told you yet in this video, but if I have, it'll be times two. So, the Dirty Dogs are playing for either gold or, yeah, we're playing for gold tomorrow against Spirit Parks. It's just gonna be lit, fam. So, you know, it's gonna be pretty epic-a-thon. Epic-a-thon. I don't know if I even specificated that word, but yeah, epic-a-thon. So, I don't know if this video is going to be coming out today or Tuesday, but yeah, the video will be coming out, and I'll be making a Dirty Dog special tomorrow. So yep, so, playing soccer over here. Must be an intense game. So we've walked like 2 kilometers now because we just passed 3K mark, so that's 2 kilometers into the walk. It's gonna be one hell of a walk because we have to walk all the way to Thames Pool, and it's on ride out. So yeah, nature walk, first nature walk that you're experiencing is a go for Danny, boy. So tomorrow is gonna be lit, fam. But yeah, so whew. Is Thames past Ivy Park? What? Chelsea Green. I mean, so focus. Wow, focus is terrible. Damn. We're on Wellington Street, so